Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing, I guess, a hodgepodge of everything. So it's Friday. Steve come by. He had some time this afternoon to come by and help out in the shop a little bit. So actually doing a little bit of sandblasting on some wheels while I wrap up some powder coating. We actually are gonna attempt to get the shop truck going, or maybe not running, but the fact that at the end of the season last year, oh come on, I'll show you. Oh yeah, and Cletus is here too, huh buddy? Say hi. All right, so she looks pretty sad right now, sitting here over the winter. I mean, this thing was completely buried in snow. But at the end of the year, I think we have some moisture in the carburetor. So we're gonna pop the carburetor off. Probably Steve will when I finish up the powder coating, and kind of pull it apart and see, do we need to rebuild this thing again? Is it got water in it? We're suspecting it does have water in it. So he's gonna kind of dabble in that a little bit, and then kind of a couple fun things. Steve stuffed the drive shaft, and he's got a big Jeep. 80s Jeep that he built. It's on 44, 6-inch lift. It's pretty badass. It's gonna be for sale too. And so he like jumped a snowbank a little while ago, well, probably years ago now, and stuffed the front drive shaft so much that it custom made drive shaft. He can't pull it apart. So we're gonna pull it apart probably with like the Volkswagen Bug, and if that don't do it, then the excavator. And then another thing I'd like to do is maybe try to massage the dent out of the side of freight train here. Remember how that was kind of dented and pulled? Well, I think if we pull and push with the excavator, I think we can make that happen too. So a lot of little weird ass things going on today. But you know what? Kind of a fun episode. Buddy. Hi.
I wanna taste the pain. I think I'm seeing all red. 2 bullets in the gun, 1 shot to the head. I need a blank space. 'Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down. Man, I'd rather be dead. I'm making love to fate. And she look better in bed. Never walk this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got 1 life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging. Don't you forget.
Unleashing the beast. By that I mean see what we got after sitting here all winter. This thing was so buried in the snow, dude.
Was it?
I don't see anything living in there.
Nope.
That's a good sign.
It's a good start.
That's a good sign. Just gonna pull it and then
Yeah.
should get a fuel filter regardless, honestly. It's been in there a while.
Look, see how?
Oh yeah, yeah, separated. Definitely water in that bad boy.
Yeah. I don't see anything gumming up, so I mean, I have to say it's just water.
Clean? Clean it?
I mean, yeah, just give it a quick spray.
New filter?
Like this gasket. We'll try using it again if it leaks.
See it'll survive another day.
See.
Floats didn't sink.
No. No fuel in them, so.
Alright, so Steve got the carburetor on the shop truck cleaned out. We didn't have to, we rebuilt it less than a year ago, literally. So we got it cleaned. In the meantime, and the geese are not happy. I gotta get a base gasket for it, and I'm gonna get a fuel filter for it as well. I don't know, what do you think about it? About the fuel pump? You think it's worth throwing one on it? Or what?
I'd say hold off.
It's old.
I'd say hold off.
Yeah, we can hold off on that. But how about something a little more fun? Like this. So freight train has been like, this has been bugging me, and I'm thinking right now, this is my preliminary here, if we backed up to something solid, I don't know, a tree or something, and put a strap through here, just kind of laced it through here, and just had you idle the truck forward so there's tension, and it'll probably just pull out some then right there. And either I can push this here with the excavator or smack it with the sledgehammer.
Yeah.
I don't know. And I'm not looking for it to be perfect by any means. But I think, I don't know. What do you think? It's one of those 2 people jobs,
Yeah.
because you need somebody in the truck,
Yeah.
and then you need someone out here.
I'd say it's a good first
Go.
attempt.
Let's go.
Let's try.
Let's go. Let's do it. I know there's a light out too, people. Oh boy. It's gonna have to be like a nice easy pull. Keep going. A little more. There. Alright. You feel it? A little more. Keep going. He's definitely moving. Bodywork 101. Woo. Again. Again. Okay, hold it. Back up a little bit. Hold it. Keep tension on it. Keep tension on it, and I'm going to smack the side with the hammer. Ready? I said we were doing new lights, all right? Relax. Okay, forward. A little bit. A little more. A little more. Okay, hold it. Keep tension on it. Okay, again. Good. That's actually, that's pretty damn good. Compare what it was. Bodywork 101, man. It's easy. All right, Steve. Well done, buddy.
Thank you. That's bodywork for you.
Yeah, you're good now. So, I don't know, park it.
Thank you. Oh,
Yeah.
we gotta get the excavator out. I'll,
Well, we might not have to if we pull the shaft apart with that.
just go run
To come back and hit me? I'll wear a helmet.
it. Yeah, let's just use this since we're here.
Oh, we can use it. Yeah, we can do it with this too. Yeah. All right. So back up a little.
Wow, dude. That's mint?
And that was buckled. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not perfect, but
But it's fucking 1,000 times better.
it's flat.
Oh, dude, that's mint.
So now I can do the other skirt board,
Yeah.
right? So I have something to meet
Yep.
and get this side finished.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude.
It's
That
mint.
went way better than I thought.
Yeah, I'm actually pretty happy about that.
Yeah, that's,
I'm not happy because I kind of want to use the excavator, but if you don't need it, you don't need it.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, here's our next victim. Here is Steve's drive shaft off of his Jeep that was stuffed inside of itself so hard from said jumping the Jeep ish snowbank or something, I don't know. He can't pull it apart. Since we were so good at doing the body work, we are going to attempt to pull apart the drive shaft
Maybe.
with freight train. Attempt one. He was like, well, I don't want to be, I guess I'm the one that's going to throw the shaft through your window. Let's hope that doesn't happen, because that would suck. And I thought I had a spare. I don't have a spare. So, yeah. Go ahead. You got like 2 feet, 3 feet. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, hold it. There's plenty of room. Yeah, we pull the shaft apart. Huh? You gotta have a solo cup if you're doing dumb things, so. Oh, Jesus. You gotta give it a little jerk. Back up. Keep backing up. Back up more. Back up. Holy fuck. Back up. All right, send it. Holy fuck. Jesus. Damn. Hold on. It's not working. Need the excavator. All right, so drive shaft 1, freight train, and none. So, but we lose all daylight. Now that Steve put a couple of nice little holes in my nice driveway. Can't have anything nice. So I don't give up easy. Here we go. I'm gonna give this another shot. Try it again. This will go well. Why not? All right. I'm forward.
Holy fuck!
Hey, man.
Dude. Saved me a drive.
It's Bobcat tough right there, baby. Told you we don't give up. So basically, we can do body work. We can do we can remove drive shafts with the excavator. I mean, what else? What more do you want? All right. So since we're on a roll of kind of destruction, I just realized that a buddy of mine dropped off a side curtain airbag, and we can kind of show you how you do dent removal with an airbag. All right. So here is the snake of an airbag that we're going to jam, I think, way down in there, honestly. I really hope it does something. It should, right?
I don't think so. Don't blow me up when I sit in the fucking thing.
What's that?
Just don't blow me up when I'm sitting in the thing.
Hold on.
Wait it! That's gonna be awesome. That must be like fucking.
I guess we'll just jam it all in there.
Feed it in there, Bob. Double her up. Feed her in.
Just waiting for it to just explode in your hand.
I like how you gave us safety glasses.
Safety first. We gotta do it for the YouTube video.
So, that's my wife. You shouldn't fucking listen to me.
Almost there.
Oh, yeah, we are. Spin on it now.
Yeah, where am I supposed to go? Seat first in the back seat.
Oh, it's gonna be awesome.
We have the airbag for dent removal here.
What are we doing? Flippin Customized. What are we doing?
We are doing a little dent removal. We did some body work. We did drive shaft straightening, and now we're into some.
Oh, that's
Straight, Bob. Look.
Steve's stuck in the car. Oh my god, dude, check it out. Look at that. Woo! Dent be no more. Dent be no more, along with the airbag. Woo! Those side curtain airbags got something to say, bud. Dent removal.
Dent removal. Perfect.
Look at that, perfect. Perfect. So, yeah, we've done a little bit of everything tonight and managed to finish powder coating a set of wheels for my son. All right, so clearly some shenanigans went on last night, and things might have got even a little wilder and stuff after the GoPro was shut off, probably for the better. But at the end of the day, we did straighten out a fender. We did separate a drive shaft that the Jeep was jumped, and that thing was jammed in there big time with our friendly new excavator, as well as pulling this dent out. Now, this thing was pushed in bad, this side of the truck. And as you can see, it isn't perfect, but it is like things are lining up again. It looks 100 times better than it did. And at the end of the day, it's a work truck. So it's going to get beat up. And we're still going to be doing the bed liner and the whole deal on that. So stay tuned for that video. This was just a fun one. We had some people over. We had some good times. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. If you want some more serious content, we got that as well.